Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver. Today we are down 20 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We are still in the negative MACD, however I do see us climbing higher and turning positive soon. On the 4 hour chart we are approaching or currently at positive MACD, however we do see a slight divergence back in, I should say, earlier today. And on the daily chart we start to see a convergence in the daily MACD. However, the MACD is still negative, but we start to see a nice convergence. And also the 9-day moving average starts to make a nice, instead of declining slope, we start to see an upward slope in formation. So there's a possibility we may see the immediate support at the moment. So the support that I see we may head to, or the next support will be around $16.85, and that is our immediate support. If that does fail, the next support will be the 150-day moving average, which is around $16.41. That is our backup support. And as for resistance, since we've had some trouble breaking out and climbing higher back in late October or October 31st on the 50-day moving average, that still remain as our next resistance. So that is around a price of $17.60, and since we are below that price level, it is acting as resistance. So the forecast model is now in the link below, so do check it out for silver, and you can configure the settings and you get the results from the video, so do check it out on free time. So back to the forecast model, I'll go day by day where silver will head to in the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these models we should focus on? Ideally the model that is the best match to the current trend. Right here we have the current trend, and below is the trend that I believe is the best match. This trend dates back to April 5th, 2007 to July 2nd, 2007. So let me point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning of the current trend, we averaged below the middle Bollinger Band. We made a nice reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band. After touching the upper Bollinger Band, we continued to touch the bottom Bollinger Band once more. So we saw those points. And below here, we start to see a similar pattern shaping. We averaged below the middle Bollinger Band in the beginning of the trend. After that, we made a reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band. And then lastly, we see the price touching the bottom Bollinger Band. So what we have is 1, 2, 3 points. We also have 1, 2, 3 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. So the model that we just examined was April 5th to July 2nd, 2007. Back then, silver was up around 3.4%. So I do see silver making a nice reversal and climbing on higher. Again, this forecast model is now available in the link below, so do check it out. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Do enjoy your day. Goodbye.